iOS 16 beta version with some great and amazing features, but as it is a beta version, there are multiple bugs and issues happening with the devices. So there are many users who want to downgrade from iOS 16 to iOS 15, which is the earlier version of iOS. So if you want to download your device from iOS 16 beta to iOS 15 earlier version, then watch this video. We'll tell you how to do it step by step. Before that, there are some important steps, okay? Just follow them or must do. So starting with that, first one, make sure that you delete your beta profile from your iPhone. Go to settings, go to general, and here in device management you will see a iOS 16 beta profile, because if you're using a beta profile or if you're using a iOS 16 beta, then you should be having a beta profile. Just go ahead and remove that profile from your device. After that, secondly, disable Find My iPhone in your iPhone. Okay, so go to your settings, go to your profile, in that, or just find My iPhone. Okay, and just disable that by entering your Apple ID password. Then comes the next step. First of all, to start this process, we require a iTunes in your Windows or Mac, whichever you are using. Currently I am using a Windows, so I'll be using it on Windows only. So first of all, make sure that you have your iTunes software installed on your Windows, right? Once you have the iTunes, comes the next step, that is connecting your iPhone to device or Windows. So basically just use the USB cable and connect your iPhone to your laptop or personal computer. Once you connect your iPhone to your laptop or Windows, just open the iTunes, and here your iPhone should be visible in iTunes. It will be visible in devices. If you see here is your iPhone visible in iTunes. Okay, open the device. Now the next step. So here, first of all, do one thing. First, a very important thing, that is backup your iPhone. So if you go to your devices, here at down there is an option called backup now. So select my computer or computer, okay, computer only, and just click on backup now. So basically I have already backed up my device yesterday only, okay, so I won't do it again. But you, before downloading, make sure that you backup your iPhone with this iTunes. Once you backup your iPhone, now comes the next step, that is downloading the IPSW file of your iOS 15.4 or whatever version it is on. So first of all, backup your iPhone with iTunes. Secondly, just download the IPSW file of a iOS 15. For that, open your browser and go to this website, that is your IPSW.me. That's the website. Open that. So once you go there, okay, first of all select your device as an iPhone. After that, once you go into iPhone, choose your device model. So here mine is iPhone 12. Okay, just go ahead and click on your device model. So mine is iPhone 12. I'll just click on iPhone 12. Once I click on iPhone 12, it will show me the latest iOS version that is released by Apple, which is a stable one or official one, not a beta. So if you see here, currently it is showing iOS 15.5 with your build number as well. Okay, that is your signed. Okay, so just make sure that whichever version is showing should be green, not red. So because Apple has banned or not allowing them to sign up in your devices, so now whichever is working should be green. So just go ahead and click on this new or latest version, and from here now download the file. This file is already downloaded in my laptop, so I won't do it again here, but you go ahead and download this IPSW file in your laptop. Okay, once you have this file, now comes the next step. So remember, first thing, backup your iPhone with iTunes. Second thing, download this IPSW file with this website. And now talking about the next step, which is very important and very crucial, that is actual downgrading your device from iOS 16 to 15. That is installing this iOS 15 file in your iPhone, which is very important one. For that, I'll be using a software called Tenorshare ReiBoot. It is one of the best iOS recovery software available out there. Okay, there is free version as well as a paid version. With free version you can do multiple things. Also paid version has some premium features. So here talking about downloading, just go ahead and download the software. okay, open the software, open the Tenorshare ReiBoot. Once you open Tenorshare ReiBoot, okay, make sure that your iPhone is connected to your laptop with USB cable. Okay, connect your iPhone with USB cable. Now comes the next step. So here your iPhone will show, or your device will show up in the software. Now click on start. Okay, once you click on start, comes the next step. So here there are two options or two features, that is your standard repair and deep repair. So just click on deep repair and start the deep repair. Once you do that, it will automatically identify the latest iOS version available out there released by Apple, and here it will give you a choice to download the IPSW file or iOS file in your software only. So here there are multiple options given to you. You can download the iOS 15 file here, okay, or else you can download from your browser also, okay, or else you can import the existing iOS 15 file, that is your IPSW file which are downloaded. Here we will import the file because we have downloaded file from a browser, right? So just click on import, and in that import choose the iOS 15 IPSW file which are downloaded. Okay, once you do that, now go ahead and click on start deep repair. So there will be a warning saying that it will wipe out or delete all the data from your iPhone. Okay, click on OK and start the repair. So this will start your actual downgrading from iOS 16 to 15, okay, version. So just wait for some minutes or few minutes, it will automatically complete the process here. So for me it took around 20 to 30 minutes, okay, it depends upon your devices or iOS version, it will take time. So now as you can see on the screen, it will automatically reboot your device, and here once you see, you will have your iOS 15 installed on your device. So now if you see, it will be like a fresh device or a fresh start. So set up your device as you do it. Follow the same process what you do while setting up a new iPhone. Okay, so now when it comes to asking about a backup, just select don't transfer app and data. Okay, because we will be restoring our earlier backup, right? After that, set up your device, and it will be a new device, like a new device, completely blank with a new iOS 15 version. So if you see here, we are downloading from iOS 16 to 15. Okay, so now comes the main task or a very important thing, that is installing or restoring your iOS 16 backup on iOS 15 device. So here let's see how to restore your backup in iOS 15 device or iPhone. And now talking about the last step, that is restoring your backup, which is very important one. So for that, do one thing, connect your iPhone to a laptop with USB cable and open the iTunes. So once you open the iTunes, it will show you as a setup new iPhone. Okay, so do one thing, here if you see, here it will show you restore backup. Okay, choose that and it will display the backup as well. Okay, it will show the same backup which you have done earlier. So basically here it will automatically identify the backup for your devices. Okay, so just choose restore from the backup and click on continue. But here it won't happen because the backup which you have done was iOS 16 version, right? And here currently we are on iOS 15. So it won't install or restore the backup on your iPhone. So now what to do? Do one thing, just minimize the window and go to your desktop, and here just type Windows R. Okay, once you open that, and in here in the tab just tap percentage, okay, app data and percentage, and just click on enter. So once you open that, it will open the app data. Here choose Apple computer, in that click on MobiSync. Once you do that, it will give you the backup, okay, backup file. So here will be backup file, open that, and here it will show you the backup file. If there are multiple backup files, okay, you can identify the backup file based on your date and time. So for my backup I did yesterday, right? So here the time and the date will be matching as per my iTunes. If you see here, same time and date, and here also same time and date. Okay, that's the folder, open that. Okay, once you confirm the backup file, open that. Okay, scroll down until you find a file called info. Okay, open that, and here open the info file with your notepad. Okay, right click open with Notepad. Okay, so once you open the info file in Notepad, just do one thing, press Ctrl F, that is your find, right? Press Ctrl F, and in that just search for a word called product. Okay, so capital P, okay, and type the product, ROUDUCT. Okay, type that and search for it. So once you do that, here it will show you the product word, and below that there will be the one sentence called or one word called product version, and below that there will be a number, that is 16.0. so very important, we just have to change that 16 to 15. So if you see here, okay, here is product version. Okay, so just remove 16 and place 15 there. Okay, instead of 6, just put cancel it and put a 5 there, and just save the file. So here we have changed the 16 to 15 and we have saved the file. Okay, close it, and now go to iTunes. So now once you change the file, so do one thing, you can reconnect your device to iTunes, and secondly turn off your Find My iPhone, because whenever we restore the devices or rebooted, Find My iPhone was unable, right? So now you just disable the Find My iPhone. Once you do that, now click on continue, and now it will accept the file and it will start restoring your backup in your iOS 15. So as you can see on screen, okay, my backup is restored. Okay, the backup was of iOS 16. Okay, it is restored in iOS 15.5 version. So as you can see on screen, okay, I will be using my device now, and once I open the device, it will show you all the application, all the data will be there. Okay, similarly just set up your device as usual. Once again it will ask you to set up your device, okay, as a fresh one. Set up your device. Once you do that, you will see all your applications, all your photos will be there. Okay, just applications won't be there, but app data will be there. For example, if you see, okay, go to your settings, general. Currently I am on iOS 15.5. okay, that's the build number, and here if you see, the backup has been restored. Okay, there is no mistake. Okay, everything is there. If you go to settings, go to general and go to iPhone storage, and here you will find all the data, all the app data. Okay, and just application are not there. Okay, download them, that's the app. Otherwise the application data is completely there, even the photos, everything is there. Okay, you can check here. Similarly, if you go to see the photos, okay, all the photos are there in my iPhone. Okay, all the contacts, everything is there. Okay, that's the method of downloading from iOS 16 to iOS 15 without losing a data. So guys, that's it. That's the process of downloading from iOS 16 to iOS 15 from without losing a data, right? So I hope you like this video. I hope it was a helpful video for you, and if you like this video, please give a like and please subscribe for more videos on iPhone tips and tricks and iPhone solutions and iPhone update. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.